Howdy, welcome back to the channel. Finally got my Boresight frames back and we're going to talk about that today. I'm going to share with y'all what I did and why. But yeah, guys, my name is Craig and I have a company called Templar Defense. If you're in the greater Houston area, we'd love to have you come train with us. Our website is down below in the description box. So if you guys remember, I sent some frames back to Glock last year because I had them originally stippled and the person that did it completely crapped the bed, destroyed several frames, and so I sent those back, got some brand new ones, and if you guys want to see that video, I'll link it up here for you guys. I got those frames back and I sent a Gen 5 and a Gen 3 out to Ben at Boresight Solutions. Why did I do that? I was sick and tired of finding I can do it just as well or I can save some money. I'm now to the point, guys, I really don't care. I just want it done right and I want it done the correct way and I'm willing to pay for that. So what I have done right here, I have a Gen 3. The Gen 5 was done exactly the same way. So what I did, right, on both of those, I got the competition grip reduction. It is a level 1, and I got the Razorback mod on that, right? So I got the competition package, level 1 with the Razorback mod. What the Razorback mod, you guys can see right there, they added that hump. There are really 3 things that I was looking for with stippling on a frame. Number 1, I love this Razorback mod. It helps the hand sit down into the grip, right? So it just kind of provides a little funnel. So when I go down, pluck the gun out of the holster, it really does allow my hand to really get in there and get a very consistent, repeatable grip. So that's why I like that. The reason why I went with the level 1 is because I still like to run, even on my EDCs, my Gen 5 is my EDC, I still like to run mag wells, right? I think this one is a mag pull on my Gen 5s. I believe, I can't remember what I have on there. Maybe an Overwatch. I can't remember. Go watch my Magwell video. But yeah, I do it to get the pinky on there. So Razorback, that's the main one. That's one of the big reasons why I went with Boresight. Number 2, I want some good stippling on there. I want some good grips. A lot of people can just do a straight stippling job. A lot of times they do lasers. But mainly it's the Razorback. That is key, and I don't know of anybody that does it like Ben or does it to this quality or anybody else that really does it, and I don't care because that's who I'm going to use. I'm going to use Ben. And then number 2, right, they did this undercut underneath the trigger guard that allows you to get a little bit higher purchase, and then they flared out both sides right here, polished to the underside to help prevent Glock knuckle, right? So the Razorback mod allows your hand, kind of gets that funnel for repeatability. The undercut allows you to get a little bit higher grip and then some solid texturing. I'll tell you what I do not care for on my guns. I don't need a ledge right here. I forgot what you like, a gas pedal. Don't really care for that. I don't really care to bevel out for the mag release, right? That's not that big of a deal for me. And all the other stuff for me, like double undercuts, I really don't care about that. I just give me an undercut, give me a stipple, give me the Razorback mod, right? That's really all I care about. And yes, I have not put the slide stop back on this frame. Whatever, sue me. But the Gen 5 looks exactly like this, and the work is immaculate. So competition series, level 1 with the Razorback mod. This is what you get. The work is definitely impeccable. Timeline on this, I think I sent it out just before Christmas, and so I'm not sure what Ben and the guys had with regards to show season when it comes to SHOT Show or anything else, but I believe I got these back, I think late March. So they were gone about 3 months, so a quarter. But I don't care because I've got a bunch of Glock 19s and right, I'm willing to wait and to pay for quality. So yeah, so this is my Boresight frame. I've got 2 of them. This is the Gen 3. I've got a Gen 5. They're both exactly the same. Competition, level 1 with the Razorback. Has all the things that I want in a, a stippled or a modified frame. So yeah, guys, go check out Ben with Boresight Solutions. That's the gun I was shooting when I was recorded my latest video doing bill drills sub 2 seconds, which I don't know if I posted that yet, but you'll see it, right? So I was shooting a Boresight gun with a maple leaf slide cut on there. So anyway, guys, if you got any questions, put them down below. Be safe, be smart, be skilled. Catch you on the next one.